Hey everyone, just here with a really super fast unboxing video. I ordered more tennis clothes. To be fair, this actually didn't cost any more than regular tennis clothes. Regular, I mean the adidas tennis clothes that I usually buy. Although, also to be fair, I often buy the adidas clothes when they are on sale because I have that whole don't pay full price thing. But then we just did that whole originals collection where I spent like $250. So, whatever. Point is, I should stop spending money. But I didn't. So, welcome back. Quick unboxing. I'm gonna show you what I got. It's fancy. Fancy. Okay. Little story. I have recently, due to circumstances, kind of got suckered into the whole Emporio Armani sportswear EA7 deal. I didn't want to be here, but I am here. It's not the best for a lot of reasons. It's not the best, but here I am. So I've been watching tennis, and there's one male player and one female player that wear their stuff, basically. And so it's not like they have an extensive range or multiple styles. Anyway, point is, it's really cute, and I wanted it. And then I bought it. So we're gonna look at it. As always, Armani is like, hey, here's a really fancy box. I feel like I pay most of my money just to get a really fancy box out of the deal. But, you know, which, oh, it like magnets closed. I'm not bougie enough for this, y'all. Yikes, that's really, the magnets make that really heavy. This is yet another fancy, as I told Jonas, I bought a watch that also came in a fancy box. And I was like, well, I got a fancy keeping stuff box, so now I got two fancy keeping stuff boxes. I'm just gonna accumulate Armani keeping stuff boxes. Maybe I should stop buying things from Armani. We all know that's not going to happen. I'll tell you, it's certainly a step up from Adidas's "we threw your stuff in a bag." My stuff. It is in a bag, but it's actually in a bag very similar to the bag Adidas puts my stuff in, except they don't then also paper wrap it and put it in the keeping stuff box. This is, as advertised, the shorts dress, navy. I did confirm that it does, in fact, come with the shorts, like it should. Yep, here they are. Navy shorts. Thrilling, truly. Here's what we're all here to see. It's navy blue and pink and white. And it says EA7 Emporio Armani on it, so everyone knows that I'm bougie. It's this, their Ventus technical fabric, and so it's got this nice mesh panel in the back to keep you cool, and it's pretty simple, but also really cute, and I wanted it, and now I have it. So now I'm not only the one who wears the Adidas officially branded match clothing, I'm now Armani branded. Well, I'll show you this later too when I have it on, so you can see it, because I do a match today that I'm going to wear this for. So stay tuned for more from me in a little bit. All right, so back. Here's what it looks like. Here's what we got. You know, it fits really well. It's like maybe slightly big here. I got a medium because Armani sizing is it's European sizing, so it's a little hard to navigate if you don't know your European sizing. Be forewarned. And two, everything just kind of runs a little smaller than kind of you're used to in the US. I mean, adidas is also European sizing, but they have such an international, like, US market that they adjust for that in a way that Armani does not. So anyway, the shorts portion were, just because of the way the seams were done, were really tight right here, and I was worried about both running and being able to get the ball in effectively, just because of how tight the seam was at the bottom. So I have substituted in a pair of my Adidas shorts for today. We'll see. I'll see. Maybe those will break in and I'll actually be able to wear them. This tag is enormous. But yeah, it's cute. It's, you know, got this mesh in the back to help keep you cool. I actually really like that it has a high neck, because then I don't have to sunscreen. It's great. But you know, plenty of room to move around in it, and it fits really well, and I think it looks really cute. So I'm not sad that I purchased it, basically. So that's that. Let me know what you all think. Let me know how bougie you think I am now, showing up in my Emporio Armani tennis dress. And yeah, thanks for watching this. Have you checked this stuff out? Have you bought it? Have you used any of it? Tennis or not, just like, are you in the EA7 club like me now? I really want the shoes, which thankfully I haven't been able to buy on the internet yet. So hopefully I will continue to not be able to buy them on the internet, and then I won't buy them on the internet. But if I do, I'll show you. They're blue and pink, just like these. But thanks so much. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if not. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want more from me, and I will see you in my next video.